much, everyone. Really happy to see you again, to be able to bring us the update of this Sunday. Again, this is Easter. We are celebrating the rising of Jesus Christ, and it's a monumental moment that we can be able to on our lives and our spirituality and so on. And really want to wish one of you a happy holiday. And so, without much ado, I just want a quick update on the numbers of our trading this past week, and to be able to see we've been able to achieve this time. So you just go right there and be able to update us. So this place where you can come, all right? Again, the link is in the description below. You can be able to actually and check for yourself these particular numbers. So let me just expand this a little bit so that you can be able to see these numbers again, how they are. Again, the statistics here are very clear. You can see the IC markets, JKKFX, and all those details right there. The gain, 88%, very good number. Absolute gain is at 85. Again, very good number. We are on target to actually go to 100% on this particular account. The daily at 59%. The monthly at 19.22. The average numbers that averaging all that we've done for this particular average it and try and see the monthly. Those are the numbers coming. The highest drawdown now that we have had, which occurred at this past week, I think on Monday or Tuesday, Monday, I think, is 22.55%. I hope that we will not breach this number again, but yes, this is a number that concerns all of us. Again, that's reflected and see currently we are at around slightly less than 4%, actually something like 3.28, right? 3.28% as we stand right now. The numbers are here, as you can see. This is at the close of Friday business. Again, as I mentioned, Friday and also Monday tomorrow trading will be by the holidays. As much as it's not a holiday season, people still trade because Easter is not a bank holiday in most jurisdictions. So still be some places that are trading over this particular period. So it's been impacted by volatility has been very low. Volatility basically means the movement. And if there is no movement, you enter the market at a particular level and are expecting to take profit at the next level, that movement, you need to make a move, all right? Either towards or away from it. Therefore, you can make profit. So volatility, when it's impacted, that's a problem. The next thing that gets impacted is liquidity. Now, when there is not enough business, people buying and selling in the market, we say that there is liquidity. And when there is little liquidity, what the liquidity providers do is to enlarge or to increase the spread. Now, when that is increased, you will find for you to hit your take profit, it's longer, a larger movement for you to achieve your target. So these holidays have a problem with respect to trading. And that's why sometimes traders stop trading over holidays. But since this is an automated system and there are already trades that are running, you cannot stop. You may not wish to stop. Of course, I can stop it. I can stop the EA from trading. But then again, you are looking at a scenario where you may miss an opportunity. Again, we are at catch-22 with respect to that particular scenario. And that's why we are allowing the trades to run and see what we can be able to achieve. The week number is very 82, which averagely the number that we did only for 4 days. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Because Friday, you can see, yes, 10.43, which is very good. But yes, we could have done. And by the way, this 0.43 was actually done in the Asian session before proper Friday period began. The monthly number is at 16.89. Again, very good number. The year number is also to achieve 93.29% in only 3.5 months. I think that is quite for this particular trading EA. So I don't want to belabor much on this here. Let me reduce this again just for you to be able to see this graph here. It is looking extremely very, very good. That graph, I can see the equity right there. Slight deviations that have occurred around this particular period of time. We actually hit a percentage on equity, and so on and so forth. So again, those are numbers that you can be able to see this particular link and so on. I'm sure some of you can experiment with this. This is a forecast, and it basically says that we will actually hit 1 million with this particular trading in the next 10 years. Today we are at 2025, and 2035, if we continue trading this way, we will actually hit 1 million. But you can play around with this particular, changing these parameters here, compounding the number of years and so on and so forth at your own time. These are the trades currently running. Again, these are how the profits are distributed over the various months: January, February, March, and April. And you can see April is already doing a very decent performance. Last 2 weeks that we have traded in April, that is a decent showing, 16%. Very good. Again, when we look at the different statistics with respect to the different currencies that I'm trading, again, all the currencies seem to be giving a very good of themselves. Again, very impressive what CHF JBY is doing. Pound against dollar is very close, and the other currencies are also doing. As I mentioned, I might have to eliminate one of these because it has AUD in both of them and might interfere with my yuan. So that's the numbers that I wanted to show you. With respect to signal provision, let me show you. With